6.
That's okay. I'm pretty sure I can go longer than you can anyway.
Rosie Palmer.
I heard she was breaking up with you.
Who?
Rosie Palmer.
Oh.
You're recording that, huh?
No.
Right.
I was just
Baby,
pretending
she's
like
not
I was.
recording it. Oh, you already broke into this one.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, it is.
What is that, cereal?
It is granola from Target, but it is freaking delicious.
Chocolate chunk hazelnut biscotti.
Try a handful. It's really good.
I'm too busy recording you.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Say hi to all your Facebook friends. Baby, that's not nice. My mom's your Facebook friend. What will she think? It's bad enough you farted on my nephew. By the way, we need to get her a birthday present.
Your mom or your nephew?
Her.
My mom.
Water ain't helping, you know.
Chug it.
I've never been drunk and had the hiccups before.
You're like a
It
fucking
sucks.
Acme character, like Looney Tunes, like.
Actually, you reminded me of AJ back when he was small enough where hiccups were like life-altering every time. You just need to get the aspect of it. You need to get the handshake.
Chug it.
Take the straw out before you chug it.
I tried to take the straw out and you said the straw will help, babe.
Baby, you're drunk. I'm lying.
Oh my God, Joe, do you remember when I drunk dialed you and you let all of your friends see it or hear it? Yeah, watch this. Chug, bitch. I can help with the hiccups. Take a sip. Ow. That's abuse on tape. This is hilarious.
Yeah, it is.
Don't you get into it, too.
For the last 2 minutes and 20 seconds, she's been into it. Alright, I want to try this now. I don't like the shape of the package.
I don't either, but it's really good.
You're really bad at chugging.
Baby, show them how well you can swallow.
I'm gonna hate you in the morning.
Chug.
Are you gonna hate me in the morning?
Quite possibly.
Well, it's all my fault. I told them to. You wouldn't believe it, but I actually...
I wish I was still recording.
Yeah, that's the first thing I look for.
I still am recording.
Can we put it on Facebook now?
No, that's on Facebook.
I know.